What's up guys, hope you guys are doing well today. So it's been a long time since I did some recaps, some actual videos, so starting today, June 1, Monday, I'll be doing recaps on the daily, right? If you guys didn't check it out, I just posted my short. I showed me floating in profit, my execution, and me hitting TP. It's about 2 minutes, but it's very informative, so if you guys want to check it out. Now, as you guys know, last Friday on Take Profit, I went and built the buffer. Not only that, I made an extra 1k, so I requested 1k on each account, right? But Take Profit didn't end up withdrawing the funds from my accounts. So I had the choice today, either I didn't trade, or so I don't trade and I play it safe so I can get the payout, or just trade today and see what happens, right? So what I ended up doing is risking my 1k profit that I made with Take Profit plus my 500 that I usually risk. And so I was risking 1.5k, right? First trade that I took, I lost. Such a dumb mistake. I didn't see that we had a higher time frame for value gap. I'll show you guys the recap in a second. So I lost. Then second trade, I hit a beautiful 5R RTP, risking 500. So not only I made my losses back, and I made an extra 1k right there. Well, extra 900, but regardless. So in the last 2 days, I'm up 10, 11k in payouts, right? Now tomorrow, if they don't withdraw the funds, I won't trade because that's 5 figures sitting like that, so I'll just wait. But yeah, in the past 2 days, up 10k, thank God. So yeah, I'll just wait until they send my money so I can keep on trading. But anyway, I'm glad to be back and doing some nice recaps, so let's get into it. So coming into market today, we had previous day low right there. We had these session highs, but price was already way too low. Okay, we have Asia low and London low right there. What else can I see? Let me go and replay. What else can I see? I can see that we have this massive 15-minute gap right there, so I'll mark it up. If I go on the 5-minute, so this is my first mistake right there. We had a 5-minute right there that I didn't mark, so that was the first mistake. It's very important to mark everything, because if price taps into something, it can have a strong reaction, as I'll show you guys in a second. And yeah, so like that. Do we have anything else? Not really. Perfect. So let's play this out. London session already got taken out, so we can just straight up remove it. Same with Asia. Perfect. Right there, 937. What ended up happening? I'm like, okay, we went into this higher time frame for value gap, this 15-minute bearish gap. And what happened is we closed above, right? But like I said, I didn't notice that we had this 5-minute gap. So what I ended up doing is taking the trade once it taps back into this bearish gap. My stop loss was right there for a 1 to 2, right? Let's see what happens. Remember guys, this I didn't mark it. So 940, I enter limit order and I get stopped out at the same time. So I was like, what happened? Then I go and check. Oh, we actually had a higher time frame just above, right? Anyway, dumb mistake, but it happens, right? Now I was looking, okay, what's gonna happen next? We re-tap into this 5-minute bearish gap. Okay, but now what do I notice? Beautiful A plus setup. We tap into this higher time frame for value gap. We respect it. Now I'm just waiting for price to inverse this and I'll take the trade, right? Now keep in mind we need to check what's happening on the higher time frame. Okay, sorry guys. So I was saying, then we still are checking higher time frame to see if we create any new gaps, any new things. So we created this 15 minute, we mark it up. It's a bullish FVG. We go on the 5 minute. What can I see? Well, we can adjust it, right? Perfect. We go on the 1 minute now. So we keep looking on the higher time frame to see if we have any new potential area to target, right? So now, what's the context? Price ran all the way up to this gap, tested it 2 times, so we are respecting it, and then I'm just waiting for this to inverse. If we just keep on going up, perfect. Now I'll start looking for longs targeting London high. If we inverse this, perfect. Stop loss right there, and I'll target the next draws, or 1 to 2, right? But recently I've been targeting higher RR, so just letting you guys know. Now what can I see? Well, we have this 5 minute bullish gap, right? So that's a good target that we can target. What else? Well, we have this previous day low or these lows right there, right? Plus we had New York Open low right there. Perfect. So now I'm just waiting. Right there is my entry, 950. I enter right there. And then, like I showed in the short, I instantly just placed my, what's it called? I was actually risking 100 for 2. 5RR. Yeah, it was exactly like that. Anyway, long story short, we tapped into this bullish gap, right? Now there's 2 things that can happen. Either we respect it or we keep going through it, right? So I'm waiting to see. Perfect, we went through it, right? And then here we hit my final TP, but I didn't close yet. My TP was all the way there. Like I showed on the short, I was like, alright, if we respect this New York Open low, I'll just close. Next candle, we ended up respecting, and I closed right there, as shown in the short. It was probably somewhere like that. Anyway, I made 5RR. So now, not only I made my losses back, plus I made money today. So that puts me at about 10-11k in payout that I'll be requesting, right? Simple recap today. Dumb mistake at the beginning, then good trade. Now just imagine, guys, there's no point saying imagine, right? But if I actually risked my 1.5 right there and took the trade, so 1.5 multiplied by 5RR multiplied by 5 account minus 20% fee, that's 3,000, that's 30,000 USD. This trade alone on my 25k TPTs would have been 41k in payout. This trade alone. That's pretty insane. But still, thank God, we ended up making profit today. And that's 5-figure in the last 2 days, right? So that's pretty nice. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the recap. I have something planned next week, so I'll let you guys know. I'll let you guys know next week what I have planned, if everything goes to plan. But yeah, it's gonna be very nice. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys, we're nearly at 200 subs. So thank you guys for the support, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.